Good morning, students. Welcome to today's class. In our last class, we discussed about the excretory system. Today, I am back here to explain about the skeletal system. Regarding skeletal system, children, already you have learned about it in 5th class, right? So let us know about it in brief. Skeleton system. So we know that the skeleton system consists of the skull, backbone, ribs, hip bones and bones of arms and legs. Children, I think you remember about the joints also what you have learnt, right? So skeletal system consists of bones and joints, and you have learnt about the different types of joints also which are present in our body. So mainly the skeleton system consists of skull, backbone, ribs, hip bones and bones of arms and legs. What are the functions of the skeletal system? It provides the body its shape and helps in the movement with the help of the muscles. We know that our body got the shape only because of the bones. And when a baby is born, they have 300 and more bones. As they grow, the bones gets reduced, they join together and they become as 206, right? So the functions of skeletal system are it provides the body its shape. So we get the shape only because of the bones which are present in the skeletal system. And also it helps in the movement with the help of muscles. So there are 206 bones in human body and also approximately 650 muscles. Not only that, children, the skeletal system also protects the soft, delicate internal organs. So what are internal organs? The organs which are present in our inside our body, which we cannot see, those are called as internal organs. So skeletal system also protects the soft, delicate internal organs of the body from the injuries. So the bones which come under the skeletal system, they are joined together by the elastic strands called ligaments. So bones and bones are attached by the elastic strands which are called as ligaments. And the muscles are attached to the bones. So bones and muscles together consist the skeletal system. So the muscles are attached to the bones by non-elastic tissues called tendons. So bones are joined together, bones and bones are joined together by the elastic strands called ligaments. Muscles are attached to the bones by non-elastic tissue called as tendons, children. And regarding the skull, we know that skull is the one which is protecting the brain. So it is protecting the internal organ, the very important internal organ in our body, that is the brain. And backbone protects the spinal cord, right? And ribs, they are present inside the chest cavity and they protect the heart and lungs. So inside the chest cavity we have the heart and lungs which are protected by the ribs. And the last, there are 24, that is 12 pairs of ribs are present. The last pair of ribs are called as floating ribs. So already you have learnt about all these in your 5th class, right? And regarding the hip bones and the bones of arms, so hip bones, they come under the ball and socket joint, the hip joint. Ball and socket joint, they come under the, that is shoulders and all, right? Yes, so they come under the ball and socket joint. And then we have learnt about the longest bone in our body, that is the thigh bone, right? So all these we have discussed already in your 5th class, children. You have learnt about all this in your 5th class, right? So coming to the next. So here you can see, children, the different, the skeleton system which consists of the different bones. So our muscles contract and relax, which helps the bones to move. So how the bones are moving? As we know, see children, we have learnt about in the respiratory system that the lungs cannot move by themselves and it is only the movement of diaphragm which is helping the lungs to move up and down, right? So in the same way here, the muscles contract and they relax. They contract and relax, and which help the bones to move. So bones are able to move only because of the contraction and expansion or the relaxation of the muscles. The overall human skeleton system is a mobile framework. So it is a mobile framework, means movement. Okay. So it is made up of 206 bones. So there are 206 bones and approximately 650 muscles in our body. So here children, you can see the skeletal system which consists of the bones, and this is the sternum bone, the flat bone which is present there. Our brain consists of, there are 8 flat bones inside our, on the skull, right? So here this is the flat bone, and here the long bone. This is a long bone in our body which is called as a femur. The thigh bone is also called as a femur, and this is a knee bone, patella it is written. And here these are the joints which are present in the hand. There is a palm and the fingers, and here these are the vertebrae. So we have 33 vertebrae present in our vertebral column, that is in the backbone, right? So our muscles contract and relax, which help the bones to move, and there are 206 bones in our body, right children? So this is regarding the skeletal system. Thank you children. Please read the textbook for your better understanding. Hope you understood today's class, that is skeletal system. Thank you children. Have a wonderful day.